Happy morning children, I am your teacher Nishanti from Badasana Matriculation High Secondary School. Today we are going to see the subject English. What subject? Yes, English in 2nd standard, Our Sweet Home. Already we learnt about what are the things you have in your home, correct? Yes, in continuation we see the part 2. Let's see, shall we sing one rhyme children? Are you ready to sing with me? Who are all ready? Just raise up your hand children. Oh super. Shall we sing? Do action also, okay? First, left hand up, right hand down and walk round and round. Left hand up, right hand down, walk round and round. Sing children, I can't hear your voice. Left hand up, right hand round and walk round and round. Left hand up, right hand down and walk round and round. Now right hand up, left hand down and walk round and round. Yes, right hand up, left hand down and walk round and round. How is it children? Are you enjoying this stanza? We saw about hand in the previous stanza. Now we will see about leg. What is leg? Leg na enna? Amma, kaal. Nama kaal patti paakalama? Kaal patti paada porom. Shall we sing about leg? Are you ready? Do action, okay children? Don't forget to do the action. Left leg front, right leg back and run round and round. Right leg front, left leg back and run round and round. Again, left leg front, right leg back and run round and round. Right leg front, left leg back and run round and round. Are you enjoying this stanza children? Shall we see next stanza? We go up, we go down and shake it all around. We go up, we go down and shake it all round. Are you enjoying this rhyme children? Okay. Shall we move to the story? In this story, we will see about only 2 words. What does that word means? Big and small. What is meant by big? What is meant by small? Big na enna? Small na enna? Big na perusu, small na chinnadu. In this story, we have one character, one important character, that is Mano. He is Mano. Mano, you are too small to walk to school alone. Who said like this? Who said children? Don't know, right? Yes, his mother said, you are too small, you can't go to walk school alone. நீங்க வந்து தனியா போக கூடாது. நீங்க ரொம்ப ஸ்மால், நீங்க ரொம்ப சின்ன பையனா இருக்கீங்க. நீங்க தனியா போக கூடாது அப்படிட்டு சொல்றாங்க. You are very small, you can't go walk alone to school. Who said like that? Yes, his father said. Let's see what his grandfather said. His grandfather said, you are too big, you can't sleep in the cradle. What is cradle? Cradle enna theriyuma? Cradle na தொட்டில். ஓகேவா? பாப்பாங்க எல்லாம் இருப்பாங்க பாத்தியா, அந்த தொட்டில் தான் cradle அப்படினு சொல்வாங்க. His grandfather said, you are too big, you can't sleep in the cradle. Like this his grandfather said. Again his grandma said, you are too big to wear the old pink shirt. You can't wear old uniform, right? Yes or no children? You are too big. You can't wear the old pink shirt. Yes, right? No. If you are, now you are studying the 2nd standard, you can't wear the 1st standard uniform, right? அவங்களால 1st standard uniform போட முடியுமா? முடியாது. ஏன்னா நீங்க என்ன ஆயிட்டீங்க, கொஞ்சம் பெரியவங்களா ஆயிட்டீங்கல்ல. Yes, you are too big, you can't wear the old pink shirt. Again, his grandma said, you can't carry the baby to park. என்ன சொல்றாங்கம்மா பாட்டி? You are too small to carry the baby. உன்னால பாப்பாவை தூக்கிட்டு போக முடியாது. He wished, I want to carry the baby to park. அவன் என்ன நினைக்கிறான்னா பார்க்கு கூட்டிட்டு போனா அப்படின்னு நினைக்கிறான். But his grandma said, you can't carry the baby because you are very small. Again Manu had little bit confusion. How mummy said, I am very too big. But father said, I am too small. Again my grandma said, you are too big. Again my grandfather said, you are too small. That boy had little bit confusion. Not little bit, big confusion. Confusion, little bit அப்படினா என்னன்னா little bitனா கொஞ்சம் சரியா bigனா பெருசு. அவங்க கன்ஃபியூஷன் ஆகுறாங்க. என்ன ஆகுறாங்க? என்னப்பா நான் குட்டியா இருந்தாலும் குட்டி பையன் சொல்றாங்க, பெரியவங்க ஆயிட்ட பிறகு பெரியவங்கன்னு சொல்றாங்க அப்படின்னு கன்ஃபியூஷன் ஆகுறாங்க. Again his mom said, you are too small to make dosa. அவன் என்ன பண்றான்? தோசை சுட போறான். His mother said, you are too small, you can't make dosa. நீ ரொம்ப குட்டி பையன், உன்னால என்ன பண்ண முடியாது? தோசை சுட முடியாது. நீங்க போய் தோசை சுடுவீங்களா? முடியாது. Yes, you can't because you are very small. Yes, Manu had confusion. How I am very small and very big at the same time? Yes, you are too big, too small. How can I be too big and too small at once? At the same time, how can I be? எப்படி என்னால முடியும்? ஒரே டைம்ல என்னால சின்ன பையனாவும் இருக்க முடியும், பெரியவங்களாவும் இருக்க முடியுமா? No, we can't. Yes. What I am the right size for? That boy thinks, what I am the right size? என்னோட correct size என்ன அப்படின்ட்டு that boy thinks like that. Yeah. Too big or too small. Now he got the answer for that question. His father said, again he had little bit confusion. Okay, his father said, you are the right size to carry on my shoulder. என்னோட ஷோல்டர்ல ஏறதுக்கு உனக்கு இதுதான் கரெக்ட் சைஸ் அப்படின்ட்டு சொல்றாங்க. யார் சொல்றாங்க? Who said like that? Yes, his father said, you are the right size to carry on my shoulder. உங்க அப்பா கூட உங்களை தூக்கிட்டு போவாங்க தானே ஷோல்டர்ல? ஆமா. Again his mother said, you are the right size to take your grandpa for a walk. You are the right size to take your grandpa for walk. தாத்தாவை வாக்கிங் கூட்டு போறதுக்கு உனக்கு இதுதான் கரெக்ட் சைஸ் அப்படின்னு சொல்றாங்க. Okay, in this session we are learnt about only two words. Again we are repeatedly said big, small. Yes, in this session we learnt about only two words, big and small. What is mean by big? Big na enna? ரொம்ப பெருசு. Too big na ரொம்ப பெருசு. Too small na ரொம்ப சின்னது. Okay va? In this session we learnt about only two words. So what is the first word? Yes, big. B I G, big. And what is the second word? Yes, small. S M A L L, small. Big என்ன சொன்ன? பெருசா இருக்கும் அப்படினு சொன்னல்ல? பார்க்கலாமா? பெருசா என்ன இருக்கு அப்படினு பார்க்கலாமா? What is this, children? This is tree. Big tree or small tree? Yes, big tree, பெரிய மரம். Now let's see an example for small tree. Small tree na small என்ன சொன்ன? குட்டியா இருக்கும் அப்படி சொன்னல, சின்னது அப்படி. This is an example for small. This is an example for big. ஆமா, big-ஆ இருக்கிறதுக்கு இதுக்கு example. Small-ஆ இருக்கிறதுக்கு இது example. சரிங்களா? சரியா children? Yes, in this session we learnt about only two words. First is the big and next word is the small. In description we have attached the subject material, self-assessment and question bank. Just go through for your further clarification, children. Do the self-assessment properly. Parents, help to your children. Thank you. Bye-bye.